Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for clicking on this video today to watch. How are you all? I hope you're all doing okay. So I've got week 4 cash stuffing to share with you today. So let's just crack on. The sun is shining and it's put me in a very good mood. So go ahead and grab yourself your favourite drink, your snacks, put your feet up and relax, and let's cash stuff for week 4. Okay then, just realised I've not brought my planner down. It's all the way up in my bedroom and I really cannot be bothered. So we're just going to skip past that this week. I'm sorry to say. And spending there, see what change I've got. Keeping that. We've got 46p. Oh, I've forgotten my pouch as well. You know what? My penny pouch. Oh, I don't know why I'm closing that. I'll just leave that to one side. I'll put that in after. So let's just grab out this, and it is 45 and 6, which I have available. That was meant to be. So there we go. Let's pop that back into there. Lovely. Just pop that to one side. That's a good start, isn't it? £5 left in spending. And oh, I'm putting that there. I spent £10 of this, which I'm going to owe it back to me. But I saw the Easter eggs in Sainsbury's were on Nectar, so I picked up 2 for the girls. So yeah, I'll just use my spending money. But from the Easter savings challenge, I'm gonna owe it that back to me, but just for now that's going to go into savings challenges. Oh, you just had to adjust the camera then. Right, so let's get out the money for week 4, and let's see what we've got here. So I've got 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 91, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 for this week. So I hope you're all doing okay. It is officially spring, so it's why it's beautiful weather outside. Right, let's do spending first then and put that back into the old purse. And I'm currently playing rock paper scissors, the mini challenge booklet. And yeah, what I'm going to do is roll a dice to see what page I need to do, and then we'll do that page and go from there. 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so scratch off again for this week, and I'll use a different dice. Okay, so I give myself £20. So let's just do it like this. Okay, shall we do it this is heads and this is tails? Heads or tails? Heads or tails? Heads. Okay. So that's 10 going in for this week. So let's change that out, put that there. Righty ho. So it's 15 into there now. And I've got £10 for next week. I think I've got that much happening. Oh, my little flower fell out, never mind. Much happening next week, I don't think. So there we go. Right, that's gone into there, and that's the purse done. Oh, I should have put that back in there. We'll leave that there. Right, okay. Up next then is Christmas. And excitingly enough, I'm able to colour off another one of these puddings because it's now at £20. And yeah, so this is going towards the Christmas food. When I told James I was doing this, he was just like, right. And I said, well, I've got like nearly 20 quid in there already. He was like, really? I was like, yes. men, eh? And people that don't understand, like, the whole, oh, I'm going to colour these in, like, cash stuffing situation or whatever, method. Anyway, so yeah, really, really pleased with that. So we've got a whole row done now. And that's going into there. Right, so I put 35 into Christmas, and James is fully funded. I think I was going to fully fund the parentals. So this is just for my parents. James sorts his own parents out. So this is just for mine. So that's a 10 into there, and that is the Sugar and Spice Bakery. I haven't followed the rules here, just sort of made up my own rules there, because I needed to save £100. I've got £50 in the bank, 50, 70, 90, 100, and that's the parents fully funded now, so that's good. Oh yes, so I just going to repurpose this tracker to save the 40 for Christmas Eve, unless I come across something else. I'm not going to put into there today. I think I'm going to, I've got 25. I think I'm going to finish off this row for Harriet and get that done. So that's 50 a row, so there should be £200 in Harriet's now. So let's have a little look. Oh, so I've got 150, 75 in the bank, 80, £200 then there now. So nearly done for Harriet, which is good. So I didn't show you the little tracker, cash but cute there. So I think for the next couple of weeks I'm going to concentrate on Ostara's one and get her one done, because yeah, I'm nearly done with Harriet. Sort of try and get that up to the same, because I think Star's got 160. So yes, there we go. So that is that. Brilliant. And then the rest is going into savings challenges, because I do save to sync. So I've got 20, 40, 55, 65, 75 and £80 to go into savings challenges, which is really, really good. Right. I'm not doing any of these. I'm going into the spring section. And first thing I want to do is put the 5 into here. So this is where I'm going to be owing my £10 back from, is for this one. So yes, let's give a little roll of what one I'm going to do next. One. May put this in today, may not. And we're not. Hopefully that's it. It's 5 to 15, so hopefully there's only 115 on here. But there we go. I haven't got no buffer in this one. Let's have a little look. I've got a buffer of 2, so let's have a little look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, we've got 6 on here, so let's roll 1 here. So this is 1, and okay. Well, if I put 15 in, then that gets rid of these 2 and the buffer. So I'm going to do that. Let's put 15 in, and we'll get rid of that one and that one, and oh, didn't mean to shake you then, and the buffer. Brilliant. So that one goes into, not that one. Oh, shall we take out some of these 5s? 5, 10, 15, 20. Let's put that 20, one of them £20 in. to there. Shall we do for next week 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, actually, well, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's just do this one. I mean, it makes literally no odds at all. Okay. Righty ho. Well, we'll deal with that one next week. There. That is right, isn't it? Yes. Okay. Right. I've put this one in. I ordered from Lily Rain Designs from her spring box collection, the heads or tails of the bunny. But of course, it hasn't arrived yet. So I'm going to just use this coin flip one for the moment. And then when that one comes, it'll just be transferred over. So that is why that one's in there. Right, let's do this one. Now, it's come out. 1 second. Right. So I've been thinking a lot about this. And the highest is 25. Now, I'm really tempted to do the 25 while I've got this sort of money. So, yeah, I think I'm going to do that. It just then gets that big one out of the way and I'm not sort of stressing about it later on or having to do it over multiple weeks. It's done and in there, and then yes, so we've got a few 20s, week 3, week 8, week 12, we've got 20s there. So yeah, I just sort of thought while I've got this sort of money, I just thought it was best just to do the 25. So yeah, so in there at the minute I've got 45 in the Sticky UK Spring Challenge. Because I'm not 100% sure I'm actually going to get that finished. If I'm being honest with you. Right, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay, well, right, these ones are 5. So let's do these ones because these are 5s and they're going to be 5s. Right, let's do a little wheelbarrow. So that's a 5 going into there. Fabulous. Then we've got the spring word search. And here's one here of ladybird. So let's just do that. And that's a 5 going into there. And then we're going to go and do tulip top and see what this one gives me. Hopefully not a 10, but it does. No, I don't. Oh, it's a red and I don't have to put anything in. So that's, well, is good and isn't good. Means we can roll again though. I'll do the greens in a second. And it's giving me a 10. It's just like this dice loves a yellow. Or it loves, like, it knows when I've got a 10. Anywho. There we go. So that is the first row of the tulip top done. Hope we're going to get some other colours apart from yellow. Now, I do like a yellow tulip. Can you get yellow tulips? I'm not really a flower person, if I'm being honest with you. I'm not a flower person. I'm a human. I'm a person. Anyway. So that's 10, 15, 20 into tulip top. Perfect. Right, let's have a little go of this. So, as I say, this will be transferred over to the Lily Rain Designs one. Okay. Oh. So we've got £15 left. Let's see how this rolls. A towels, which is 10, of course. Righty ho. And that £5 I'm actually gonna put not into that. I think I'm gonna do, because it was week 1 of this £5. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Oh, I've lost my little, the other little star. It's not coming off. No, that's not coming off. There we go. Yeah, I feel happier about that. So, yeah, we're actually then technically a week ahead, aren't I? So, but I'll always try and put into this every week, even if I only can put in a £5 and it's, you know, then I'll build it up. But anyway, I've got 20, 40, 5 and 50 in there now, which is good. Really, really pleased with that. So, wow, well, I felt like that went really quick. And all of a sudden, all the money is gone. And we are done for this week. So, yeah, I'm going to leave it there for today. So, thank you ever so much for watching. If you got through to the end of the video, if you could leave me a sunshine emoji, because it's actually beautiful here today in Essex as I'm filming this. Spring definitely feels like it's here. It's nice and, you know, warm and yeah, just like the perfect temperature. So yeah, leave a beautiful sunshine emoji if you got to the end, but I'm going to leave it there. So thank you ever so much for watching. Please, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and you're all having a great day and a great week as always, and I shall see you all soon. Bye bye.